After covering up the murder of Dr. Abhaya of RG Kar incident, who was murdered and raped in the RG Kar incident, one of the busiest government hospital in Calcutta, and after trying to erase all proof, Mamata Banerjee right now, is she trying to, give bribe and shut the mouth of the doctors? She'll never be able to do that.
Of a citizen of India. So, government should take proper step regarding this. But क्या हुआ इस मीटिंग में हेल्थ सिस्टम के लेकर जो भी बातचीत होना चाहिए था वो नहीं हुआ. हम लोग चाहते थे सेंटर रेफरल सिस्टम के लेकर बात हो, बेड मॉनिटरिंग वैकेंसी सिस्टम के लेकर बात हो प्रॉपर मेडिसिन को लेके अवेलेबल ऑफ द इमरजेंसी मेडिसिन इन all time throughout the campus, throughout the hospital. जो डेवलपमेंट का जरूरत है हेल्थ सिस्टम में उस चीज के लेके बात हो, ये हम लोगों को इस मीटिंग में नहीं देखने के लिए मिला. तो
देखिए, पहली बात तो है कि आप पूरा देश में अगर घूम के देखेंगे कि ये सैलरी का जो लेयर है, सैलरी का जो अमाउंट है, ये डिफरेंट स्टेट में डिफरेंट है. और सेंट्रल स्कीम में जो है, सेंटर में जो है, अलग अलग स्टेट में आप देखेंगे तो ऑलरेडी दे आर इंक्रीज्ड. उन लोगों के पास ज्यादा है पहले से. तो आज जो इंक्रीज किया है, इसमें हम लोगों को नहीं लगता है कि कुछ अलग कुछ हो गया, क्योंकि ये बढ़ना था ऑलरेडी. ये डिजर्व करता है, जितना सारा पीजीटीज और जूनियर डॉक्टर से डिजर्व करता है कि ये बढ़े. लेकिन बात ये है कि आज का जो डिस्कशन हुआ है, हम लोग थोड़ा डिफरेंट डिस्कशन एक्सपेक्ट किए थे. हम लोग सोचे थे कि डिस्कशन ऐसे हो, कैसे लोगों को ट्रीटमेंट अच्छा से दिया जाए, डिस्कशन ऐसे हो लोगों को कैसे बेड दिया जाए, डिस्कशन ऐसे हो लोगों को कैसे अच्छा मेडिसिन दवाई दिया जाए. तो ये जो डिस्कशन हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट किए थे, हम लोग कल भी हम लोग लिख के बोला था और प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस भी किए थे कि हम लोग ये चाहते हैं डिस्कशन हो.
After covering up the murder of Dr. Abhaya of RG Kar incident, who was murdered and raped in the RG Kar incident, one of the busiest government hospital in Calcutta, and after trying to erase all proof, Mamata Banerjee right now, is she trying to, give bribe and shut the mouth of the doctors? She'll never be able to do that. Because if you have increased the salary, very good, we are very happy. But there are other things on which the doctors protested. Their demands were about security. The doctors in the government hospital, they don't have any security. Neither the men, neither the women. There are no restrooms. There were no CCTV cameras. What about those? After RG Kar incident, you spoke so much, such big things you promised. Nothing has been done. And right now...
You see, this particular incident proves that she is completely unfit to run a constitutional government. If the government thought that the remuneration of the doctor should be increased, they would have issued a memo. It was not necessary to bring all the doctors in a meeting and then announce. She treats everybody as a club member. Therefore, this is, to me, is insult to the doctors. And nobody should feel happy that for getting such amount of, a few thousand rupees enhancement of their remuneration, they were called at the meeting and they wanted to enhance it. And that too, while she was under pressure from the doctors' movement, she was forced to give this higher remuneration. Probably they thought the doctors were fighting only for remuneration. She has misled the doctors. Doctors have been fighting for their basic principles of environment on which they can function fearlessly and they can exercise their own medical expertise. They are fighting against the corruption which was, inculcated by Mamata after being the Chief Minister of the State of West Bengal. Therefore, this sort of dull attitude to the doctors, I'm sure the doctors will not be very happily accepting this. But this is the enhancement of remuneration for which they are entitled to under the law, and the others, doctors of other states are also getting higher remuneration. Therefore, this is something which was due to come. But unfortunately, this lady thinks that everything is to be done like clubs. He will invite the club.